Hello! Optimism is the faith that leads to achievement. Welcome to Acatic Academy, the first aeronautical school in Calasiao, Pangasinan, inviting all interested students to become successful pilots someday.
Sir, kung gusto nyo, ngayong June 2 to 7, meron kaming exhibit dyan sa may Robinson. Ito yung ipa namin, i-showcase namin.
Sige, sir.
Sir, hi! Acatic Aviation Academy po. Exhibit is coming June 2 to 7, 2025. See ya!